Alright guys, another tool review. This time I got something that I stumbled upon today at Home Depot, and this is this Husky set of the double ratcheting wrenches. I seen these from different manufacturers as well, but since my local Home Depot had it, I was like, let me try buying it and checking it out. I heard of really good things about these. A good stuff for this is that this ratcheting open end, of course. It's good for the lines, because if let's say you're doing a line, you don't have to take it out and then move it. You can just go back and then keep ratcheting. So that's a good part about these. I gotta say they're really expensive. I don't think I'm gonna get a bigger size other than 8 till 15. It has number 8, which is of course for brake lines. 10, 12, 13, 14, and 15. I got a metric because for the car I'm working on, metric is just perfect. So I'm happy with the metric. I don't think I want to use any other one than metric, because it's fine for me, like I said. The quality wise, they're really I would say it's a good quality. It's sturdy enough, strong. I have no idea how long this teeth will last though, or this one as well. So it says here lifetime warranty, so that's a good thing too. So if you ever break it, you can bring back the receipt and this, and you can get another one. So it says that it's actually a 6-piece 100 position double ratcheting wrench set. What would be considered a 100 position? I have no idea what that is, but alright. It has e-torques, square, 6-point. I mean, it can be, it can do, I guess, all those. 12 points, 6 points, 50% rounded, and spline. So they're saying that this actually can do all those types of bolts or whatever you doing. It just even here it says 100 positions engages instantly. But of course it's made by Husky, and right here it says made in China. And even it says, if your Husky hand tool ever fails, bring it back and we will replace it for free. So yeah, it looks like that they will give you a lifetime warranty. It is really, really strong. I like that. It's expensive too, so I would expect to be strong. Of course, a good quality. The teeth are not that fine, but they're decent. Like I said, the biggest one I have is 15 millimeter. And I'm not planning buying the whole other sets, which I'm sure you can buy 17, 19, 22, and all those. But yeah, that's pretty much what I wanted to show you guys. A Husky set of open end ratcheting ratchet. uh, I will be using these, and of course, if something changes or if something breaks, I will let you know. I'm pretty sure, because I'm not a professional. I don't do this for a living. I don't fix cars non-stop, so I'm sure it's gonna last for a while. Uh, Other than that, that's pretty much it, guys. Just wanted to show you this. Like I say, you can buy it at a local Home Depot. A lot of you that seen my videos will be like, what the hell? You changed to Home Depot now. You no longer uh, Harbor Freight. But yeah, you can't buy these at Harbor Freight. I just wanted them for like I said, lines. It's really good for lines. But anyway, make sure you of course like it, share, subscribe, and stay safe. I'll see you guys next time. Later.